Take the Pump and Go bottle holder and a pouch of warmed breast milk. Attach the nipple to the screw ring adapter, leaving the cap on the nipple. Place the pouch in the holder with the markings facing forward and click into place. Remove the screw cap and replace with the assembled ring and nipple. Remove the cap and you're ready to feed baby. New Pump and Go from Tommy Tippy, making life easier for mums who pump.
Thank you for your interest in a Fisher-Price Jumperoo. Here are some tips to help you know when your baby is ready to use one of our Jumperoos. You'll know baby is ready when they can hold their head up unassisted for more than just a few minutes. For optimal use, make sure baby is tall enough so the balls of their feet are touching the floor when positioned in the Jumperoo. If baby isn't quite reaching the floor, make sure your Jumperoo is set to the lowest height adjust position. Most come with 3 or 4 different settings. Babies jump best when the balls of their feet are touching the floor, so make sure the height is adjusted for the perfect fit and that they're not flat-footed on the ground. If you have the Jumperoo on its lowest setting and baby still doesn't touch the floor, that's okay too. They can still sit and play, but they won't be able to jump on their own until they can reach the floor. But don't worry, babies grow quickly, and soon they'll be jumping pros. You can use your Jumperoo until baby attempts to climb out of the product or starts to walk. At that time, we suggest you store away your Jumperoo. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Jumperoo!
Perfect for potty training your child, Summer Infant's step-by-step potty and step stool is the complete potty training system. With a built-in lid and toilet tissue and disposable wipe holders, this potty helps parents encourage and teach important hygiene habits. The potty can be used as a standalone potty, toilet topper training seat, and a step stool. Potty training can be fun and easy with this helpful potty training seat. Get the step-by-step potty for your little one today.